We have an automatic leveling system, which is hydraulic, and it started beeping at me, and we saw that hydraulic fluid was under the jack when we put them back up. So I need to add some fluid to the tank. So I need to undo the screws in the compartment. There are just 2 screws, and this is under the stairs. They're really big screws. Look at that. That one's tight. Oh, no wonder I was going the wrong direction. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Oh, and look what I found, a burr. We've been at Assateague Island, and these have been the bane of our existence. Burr. So there's the tank. It looks like it's pretty high, but I'll add a little bit anyway. And hopefully that will stop the beeping. It has in the past. And, oh, thank you. I think I'm going to put it in a cup and pour it. I think that will be a little easier. It's a tight space, and this is a big bottle. Well, that was good. I think I'll add some more. I don't see any fill line on there. I'll add a little bit more, like that much. Oops. Spilled a tiny bit, so I'll get a paper towel. I'll throw this out. Let's tidy this up. Put the cap back on. This back in place. I'll start the screws by hand to make sure they're in the right place. All right, put this back in the compartment. Oh, watch out. Now this is where we keep all of the spare fluids and things like the rubber seal conditioner and slide lube and leveling blocks, tie downs, and and motor oil. And it looks like we might have some torch fuel there too for the tiki torches. Locked for travel and shut. Okay, here's the true test. Will the leveling system start beeping once I turn on the engine? Let's see. Hey, it worked. It flashed green. Yay!